Alright, YouTube viewers, here we have this 36-inch Gulf Coast Industrial made by Cat. I finally have one with blades. Got some at them. The other two I have, which are actually right here, both of them are missing blades. I have two motors for no blades. That's a thing. Either assistant baby on the This is low speed on the Pennsylvania 4-speed control. It's very, very slow low. That's why it's still going. Let's go ahead and do it up. There we go. I love these fans a lot. Actually, I love the UFO shape of the motor. There was an arcade down in Jersey that had a bunch of the 48-inch ones. They're all over the market. Quite a sight. Sadly, they got removed a while ago. That's medium low. This thing runs silent and moves actually a bunch of there. This one actually Adam did repaint because it was apparently in really rough shape. While I have you up here, there the other two motors are right there. I got them out here just because I don't have blades, so I'm going to put them out and leave them. Go. See spin down. Then we'll look at the gold. See more. One more fan after this, and I have to get going for the fireworks. And get some food. Stop the moon. There's coffee getting better. I'm also looking for the Sirius 56-inch version of these. I've heard of them. I haven't seen any personally. I don't know if any of the collectors have personally. That'd be cool to find. The last fan of the day after this fan is the same size 36-inch Windward. We tested this one's done. And I still got a good amount to go. I'll probably try to do some on Tuesday after work. One day I'll not do videos, one day I'm going to run off my family. Alright, so there it is. Stopped. Let's go up here and see if we can see a label. Ooh. Look at this. I'm not sure how good you can see that. The Gulf Coast and their 36-inch fan. Let me just read stuff off. Heck, even I can't even read it. 8.36-inch Gulf Coast hat ceiling fan. Thanks for watching.